clean with me. And you guys can see how I start off my day as a homeschool mom, period. Next step in this clean with me is what I typically do on a day-to-day basis. So as for this session, what we're going to do is go ahead and clean the bedding. We're doing laundry. So we're going to start with the kids' room. One I did off camera already. This one I'm about to get, you know what I'm saying? Trying to cleanse your space. It starts with clean bedding and just a clean fragrance, you know? So let's go, you guys. We have all the bedding that we're going to wash, and this is going to be washed separately. We're going to go ahead and wash the sheets and what we have. The pillowcases first, and I'm just going to show y'all what products that I use. You guys really know me from TikTok, then you really know me. You know I wash decorative pillows and all. And as you can see, it's not just washing them, it's just as they sit, they soak up oil, you know what I'm saying, from your sheet. So you definitely want to wash this cycle. What we're going to do is start with 2 Tide Pods. Shout out to Tide. And since we're using like a medium load, we're going to use 2. So this is how they look, if I can get them out. They're in these little capsules. They're already you know what I'm saying, forgiveness, but I do like to use Arm & Hammer new laundry detergent. It supersedes itself, you know what I'm saying? So I like to take 2 scoops of that, and you know what? It's time for me to refill this minute ASMR. We're going to get the, you know, typical Amazon, you know, things. But then again, we may not, because who need all those containers? Want that extra crisp, you know what I'm saying, to your clothing, and that extra freshness. Go ahead and add this as a booster. So this is Arm & Hammer Baking Soda Laundry Booster. You can find that product. Now we're fully locked and reloaded, and we fully, you know what I'm saying, stocked. We're just going to go ahead and take 1 full cup and just add this as a booster to your laundry. You can use any laundry detergent you prefer. You don't have to use the ones I'm using, but if you... All right, next up, you guys, let's make my homemade cleaning agents to mop my floors. All right, so you guys, now we're on to the mopping. First, I like to start with steaming, boiling hot water. So I get my floors really clean, okay? And we're going to start with a cap full of bleach. Also like to mix Mr. Clean in, so we get a little bit, maybe 2 capfuls. Next, we mix in half a cupful of vinegar. And also, I combine a half a cup of baking soda to get a nice, see that? That's going to go on your floor, okay? Finally, to cap off my mop water mixture, I like to end everything with some more hot water. So just get everything mixed up. That's it. Okay, so you guys, this is the last clip. This is the finished product. Everything has been washed, cleansed, and yes, my daughter did make this up herself. She do lay her own sheets. That's one thing I do teach them. I did it for a whole bunch of years, but now they're grown. They got to know how to do it for themselves and see the energy that it brings, the clarity, and the mental stability. If you're suffering from depression, I'm telling you, wash your sheets. It ain't just a smell. It's putting them on your bed and the clarity that you get. And as you can see, wider. And she said that herself, Mom, my room looks wider. Whenever you have a white room with white walls, you want to also go with neutral colors, light colors, and your space or enlarge itself. So this room is meant to be therapeutic. So cleaning in this segment, I did realize I needed to order some things from DoorDash. So this is the next segment that we're going to get into. If you paid attention early in the vlog, we did get some things from DoorDash. Simply because I needed some things today. Some things I ordered from Amazon won't be here to later on to Sunday. Take that back to Sunday. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you know that on last Monday, which was Labor Day, I had a lot of my items stolen from Walmart. I mean, they were not giving off my porch. The driver pulled up and pulled off. So, yeah, it's a bit of difference. DoorDash is a smaller delivery fee than Walmart, and also they did deliver the same day. So let's just get into it, okay? Minus the nonsense. So first up, we have this Ajax cleaner. This item was typically used when I was a kid. My grandmother used this. She recommended this is the only thing that cleans the tub deeply clean. I don't care what all those new products is nowadays. This is the only thing that gets those old school tubs clean. Item is the new Febreze. This is a new fragrance. It is Hawaiian Aloha. You're going to see how this smells. So once we clean up the bathroom, we got this, okay? Yes, I said bathroom. I'm from Alabama. Don't get it. We have my favorite product of all time and my favorite fragrance, Pine Sol. As you can see, it kills COVID-19 and it kills 99.9% of all germs. So I do tend to mix my products. If you know me, I make my own cleaning solutions. I've been doing this for about 5 years. I typically get a cleaner from Target, which is Method, and I just go ahead and mix all my ingredients because they're safer for children to inhale. So Yes, this is fine. We have Lysol. I cannot do without this. I keep this in my kitchen, by the way. And also I keep one in my bathroom, but this goes in every time I wash dishes. I have to clean the countertops. So this is a new fragrance as well from CVS, brand new day. All-purpose cleaner. It also kills up to 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Keep this in your kitchen, okay? Y'all see. Last but not least, I cannot clean up my bathroom. I need this. I need my daily sponges. So I get these sponges from CVS. No one else carries them. Walmart does not have them. These not your old school like cloth or whatever. These are made of micro rubber or something like that. But as you can see, it's made by Sponge Day. It's called Scrub Daddy. It's scratch free and resists odor, so it doesn't hold on to all those bacteria like your normal cloth sponges do. A lot of people don't use sponges. The sponges hold everything in, but as you can see, this texture don't, excuse my name, I just moved that back on for the video, but it holds on to a lot of the bacteria. Okay, so you guys, this is my tub. It's not the most fitting of fitting. It's not the most advanced, but that's thing that you just saw. That's like textile that they had to relay that. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this tub. And these are some of the products. I've already seen the unbagging and which products I'm going to use. So let's be mindful and let's all be nice, okay? Let's clean this tub, period. You guys clean your tub. But this was passed down from my grandmother onto my mother. So first I do a pre-soak, which means I go ahead and sprinkle the Ajax in the tub. And then I go in and use the Lysol. And I spray the tile to remove, you know, like soap suds, you know, people touching the tile with their hands when they're bathing or whatever. I spray that down, and I also, it smells good. I spray the tub as well, and I just let that soak for about 5 minutes. Once that gets through soaking, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. But while this is soaking, I'm going ahead and mix my products. You guys, I do mix my products. So you guys, it looks like we ran out of time. Don't forget to watch part 2. Be on the lookout. I'm going to show you how I mix my products. So don't forget to click like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified.